Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Cake Me Your Way, and today I'm going to bringing you a video on how to learn cake decoration for free. Yes, you heard me right, totally for free. So cake decoration costs a lot of money. Learning how to decorate elaborate cakes and doing it well costs a lot of money. I'm sure you already know that, and maybe you don't have the money and you really want to learn how to do this well, but you don't have the means to. Yes, I know a lot of people would like to learn how to make pretty elaborate cakes like they see on Instagram for their friends, for their children's birthday, or for their, for extended family members, or even for family gatherings, but do not know how to. Yes, it can be pretty frustrating because cakes look very pretty and they look like they are easy, but they're not as easy as they look. Or maybe you even want to start a business. Yes, you want to learn the tips and the tricks of the caking business. Yes. When I say that, I mean the basics of starting a cake business, the tips and tricks, the initial tools you need to buy, the things you need to know, how you should start, what your target customers should look like, and everything. Yes. I understand those things, and they might be a little bit tricky for a beginner. So today I'm bringing you the solution, which is Cake Me Your Way. So all you have to do is go on YouTube and type in Cake Me Your Way. Yes, it's a YouTube channel where I have over 120 YouTube videos for you guys to watch and learn how to do all the basics, whether you are a beginner or you are an intermediate, or even if you are a professional. I have something for everybody on that channel. And I make videos for you guys every day or every other day. So thank you guys, and make sure you check that out because it is going to be of good use to you. Thank you, and see you in the videos.